Nursery, Garden and Gnome, and I'm going to show you how to make our Pinecone Gnome craft kit. We have take and make craft kits, and each of these craft kits come as a pair with a green gnome and a red gnome. So you're going to make two gnomes in these kits. The only pieces of equipment that you are going to need at home is a glue gun and a pair of scissors. Let's get into it. These are the cutest things ever. Okay, so the first thing, if you want your gnome to sit on his little wooden stand that it comes with, so each kit comes with a pine cone, a little slice of wood, a little pre-cut felt for his little hat, a little wooden bead for his nose, and some wool. So the first thing you want to do is put a little bit of glue so that your pine cone is sitting on his or her stand, if you want it on the stand. And while that's drying, you want to cut a little piece of wool or a little piece of string, whatever is easy for you. So I pre-cut a slice off of our wool. Then you want to wrap your wool around your fingers, like so. And you want to wrap around and around and around until you get to the end. And then you want to tie right in the middle of this with your little piece of string. So there, so you have your little tie, and it's okay if it's not perfect because I'm going to show you why. You're going to trim up and you're going to put your scissors through the loops on the other end. Make his little beard, and it's okay if there's if you miss some loops, cut them. If you have a long little dangling piece, that's okay. Cut it, no big deal. Gnomes are kind of scruffy. Oh my gosh, this is the cutest. This is the cutest. So you have his little beard. It's like a goatee. Ready? So this you set aside, and you're going to take this felt hat and you're going to loop it around to make his little hat, and you're going to glue on the edge. So I'm going to glue down one edge. I'm just going to, come on glue gun. See, if you're craft challenged like me, you can still make this craft. It's so cool. Okay, and be careful because the glue is hot, and you just get it on the edge and then you work it in. So I like gnome hats to bend over for mine. So I'm actually gonna bend mine to the side and put another little glue dot. But if you're doing a bunch of different gnomes, it's neat that they all have their own characters. So I'm just gonna put a little dot to the side here. And I'm gonna glue the hat over and hold it to stick. You put the little hat over the gnome. It's so cute. And then I'm just going to turn it around, and I'm going to put the little bead right about here. You just want it just below. And this takes a little bit of finessing. And you just have to be patient and hold the bead there while the glue dries. I put a blob of glue, maybe too much. I'm gonna put mine on the side, but you can use mustache, beard, I don't know. So there is the little gnome. You can, oh, his little hat. You can customize it as much as you want. If you have little bells or other little pine cones or stuff, you can glue those to the top. You can take apart your Christmas ornament, you can put berries, like you can have so much fun with making these at home. These are adorable and super easy. Thanks for visiting.